Try to pull off to the side of the track. It makes that clean up much easier and back on the track much faster for us. Format today and how the lane's already set. Motorbikes or four-wheelers, you must have a helmet on. Today only? No, every day.
G'day, yeah, I'm Justin here at Springmount Raceway. I'm your starter. We start all the cars here, make sure everything's safe as they come to the start line. Seatbelts on, harnesses on, helmets, bonnets, windows up, doors shut, parachute pins out. Yes, just make sure everything's safe, everybody's has a fun day and just here to have a good time. Make sure everybody has a good day. Thank you.
G'day folks, my name's Andrew Lister. I'm the commentator up here at Springmount Raceway. Been loving this place, been coming here for many years and I love it. And hey, during the day I'm just a stay-at-home dad with a 6-year-old who loves motorsport, loves drag racing, loves burnouts, speedway, everything. If it's got wheels and engine, I'm at with this. Cheers.
two roles here. I'm a track chaplain and I'm also the Chief IHRA Steward for Springmount Raceway. My role involves making sure that all the racing follows the rules and regulations and all of the safety. I interact with all of the racers and also the track staff. And we're just here to have a good time and have some fun and doing all that in a safe manner.
With the brains and the engine room.
Hey, my name's Hayden and I'm on the time cards today, and we basically give out the time slips for when the cars are racing.